this tour, we welcome you to 371 Huntley Drive, a retreat-like home located in the quiet cul-de-sacs in prime West Hollywood. Represented by Serena and Michael Shlomof, this house is split over 2 levels with a 3-car garage as you approach the house. The house has 4 bedrooms, 6 baths, 4,546 square feet of interior space built on a 5,410 square feet lot, and this property is currently on the market for $6,095,000. As always, we will leave more information about the property down in the description. This new-built contemporary home in excellent West Hollywood offers a secluded retreat. A large designer staircase greets you as you enter, bathed in natural light from a ceiling-lined skylight. From the elegant living room, pocket glass doors lead to the backyard, which includes a spa and zero-edge pool, a huge covered terrace, and a spectacular water feature. In the sun-drenched kitchen, which has a large island and Miele appliances, prepare delectable dishes. The spectacular principal bedroom, located upstairs, features large his and her closets, a spa-style bathroom with a soaking tub and skylight, as well as an extended bedroom terrace. With a movie room, fitness center, wet bar with wine display and garden area, the basement level is an entertainer's dream. The property has a Control-4 home system and is conveniently placed among renowned restaurants and boutique shops on Melrose Place. I'd like to finish off by thanking you all for watching. Coming from an architecture and construction background, I always enjoy watching these luxury homes in West Hollywood area. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all again soon.